Okay, let me see what we have here. Oh, that's me, coming to my garage. Opening the gates. Going in. Yeah, take that bike, boy. You're good, you're good. Whenever you go, helmet is a necessity. Right there, perfect. Close the castle, lock the gates. Yeah, take that horse, boy. Could you be faster? People are waiting and you're putting gloves on. Come on, dude. Just press the button on the right side, right here. Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you. I know you can do it. I know. See you in 4 days, boy. In early May 2019, I left my hometown Kaunas and headed towards Baltic Sea along the biggest river in Lithuania called Nemunas. On the road, I ate one steak in Jurbarkas, saw one car accident near Šilutė, my helmet left me, and I got lost in the off-road of the lowest land of Lithuania. Of course, with the street type of tires.
Good job, team!
After a short exploration, I was back on track and arrived at the famous Ventė ornithological station near Nemunas Delta. Looks like it's the best moment of my life. I mean, pancakes, not the lighthouse. So, that's the Ventė Cape, here is Pancake's place, and that's me driving to Klaipėda city, where I hopped into the ferry and moved my ass to Kuronian Spit National Park, which is highly recommended by Tadas Travel Channel. Kuronian Spit is a narrow piece of land between Baltic Sea and Kuronian Lagoon, hiding lovely villages and nature full of magic. I was right on time to say goodbye for the sun and a shy hello for a dinner. Day 1 is over. Day 2 brought me a good weather and I decided to visit 2 spots before leaving Nida town. First one is famous for Nida's dune, with sun clock on top and beautiful panoramic view. Mwah! Second stop was at Nida airport, which is actually just a freeway and you can easily enter it. I think now it's a perfect moment to look over my horse. During this mototrip, which is actually my first one ever, I'm riding BMW G310R from 2017. It's my daily bike back in the city, perfect commuting tool. I attach one tank bag for my electronics and important stuff and one 9-kilo bag with clothing on the back. In general, bike was performing very well, except the fact it would need some more extra power on the highway to ride without a doubt. Now, when you have my 2 cents, let's get back to the mainland and move forward. From Klaipėda I went a little bit north and then east, collecting lasagnas, windmills and little churches along the way. In the evening I arrived to my destination Pasvalys town with only 6 kilometers driving range left on my tank. I was lucky twice and got a really nice place to stay in sauna building standing on the backyard of the local family house. The host prepared classy dinner and gifted me with a jar of homemade beer. Bye-bye. Good morning, it's day 3 and you're watching late morning briefing, which is today actually is early morning briefing. This is my first stop. I'm maybe in one of the most north points of Lithuania in Biržai. That's where my grandpa is from. So best wishes to my grandpa. Biržai castle is behind me and in front of me is a lake, which name I don't know, but anyway. So Biržai is also a very famous because of its beer tradition as a Pasvalys where I slept last night. So if you're visiting this area, it's definitely recommended to go to the brewery. They do tours, and of course you can take like a tasting, which is called beer route, and taste 9-12 types of local beers, which is amazing. I did it, and believe me, it's hard. Yeah, so let's go. For some reason, day 4 starts very slow. Weather is changing and gets even more cold to ride. Motivation to explore is hiding somewhere, and I started thinking about home. But first, I have to finish my distance. So let's focus and drive. Despite the fact that the end is a little bit melancholic, I'm back to my garage. And I'm glad I did it.